All right, guys, there's a lot of controversy out there these days on scooters versus the skateboards. And I pointed out the skateboard and I said scooter. And I was like, okay, well, let's get the world's finest scooter. And I was like, obviously that's a Razor scooter. Fetty told me right away that Razor is like the baddest version. This is a Walmart version?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know. So here's a skateboard, which is a wood with the wheels, and this is what we ride, and we do all these tricks. And this is a scooter. It has 2 wheels, and it has a bottom thing, and it has handlebars, and you can like make this thing spin around. And Lance had this great idea that we would do skateboards versus scooters, and I was like, that's a great idea.
Yeah, I guess what I want to know is like, how long has the scooter versus skateboarder feud been going on for?
And why is there a feud really, huh? I guess my question is, do scooterers hate skateboarders, or do skateboarders hate scooterers?
Skateboarders hate scooters.
But do scooters have a feeling of hatred towards the skateboarders, or they don't care?
I feel like they don't care.
We can't speak for the scooter community. Okay?
Yeah, well,
like
that's why I'm asking them, the scooter
that's why
community.
I feel like I don't care.
Like, one of the things that we did was loose trucks versus tight trucks. Does it matter? No.
BMX ruins all the ledges. Scooters ruin all the ledges.
Oh, now we know what Fetty thinks.
At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is get more people to ride this. That doesn't necessarily mean we're trying to make people quit that. We're just trying to get people to skateboard because we like it and we think that it has been cool and good for our lives. Because I wrote this Instagram post that like went crazy, and kids were like, "You're creating so much hatred," which is really not what I was trying to do. At the end of the day, am trying to get more people to ride this, and I want to make it very clear. I don't have any hatred towards anybody that rides this, including you. It was a Rolling Stone article that said like millennials specifically are like all going to like scootering. I was joking, I was like, Braille Army, we have an emergency on our hand. Mount up all skateboarders. But I wasn't trying to say like all the skateboarders attack scooters. I was just trying to say all the skateboarders teach more people how to skateboard so we can grow skateboarding. It was not like if I was like, oh, you're a skateboarder and your friend plays basketball, teach your friend how to skateboard. That doesn't mean that I hate basketball or have hatred towards all basketball. So we want to know in the comments, I guess, what your guys' opinions are, and then are we going to really try and play game of scoot, but then a game of skate?
Yeah.
How is this a verse at all?
Well, you're gonna finally try scootering.
Anything goes, any obstacle?
Yeah.
And then we do it on skateboards.
Yeah.
Are we playing first on this and then second on
Yeah, I want to
this?
get that over with.
So can we flip?
Carlos?
Okay, fine.
I don't get it.
Oh, what's that?
It's us two.
You guys are-
Yep.
Oh, I have to go.
I'm last.
Third.
So,
What does that mean? I guess?
Zeo 2.
You're first, Carlos.
You're first, Carlos. Make the trick. Good luck.
I don't. I guess. Yeah, it's something. I guess I don't know.
That's such a
That
regular.
or we tweaked it out.
Whoa. Yeah, that was Steez. I have so many questions. Does the scooter community use the word Steez? Are they like, whoa, that player had Steez?
That was metal.
Try the infamous tail whip, I guess. I don't even know what I'm doing. Ah, snap.
Where's Black Ninja when you need him, really?
Woohoo! Yes.
Who's judging this?
Troy.
You first?
Almost a Superman.
What, you're going down the 5?
Makes you so much better at skateboarding.
You think so?
I don't know the name of drawing.
My respect for scooters just went up a little bit after seeing that.
No one will land that. No one.
That was close.
Is it kind of scary?
Kind of. It's funny because I'm tough on skateboarding. I'm not willing to try anything on this.
I told you no one would land that. I mean, that's like next level.
Oh, hit him with that bar.
Got you, fools.
I'm just trying to picture like what this looks like for someone who's really good at scootering to watch. Is this like for like watching people on skateboards like roll down a ramp and being like, "That's my trick, yeah." Wow, Steez. Just for the record, why didn't you start with the 3-stair?
Cause scooter die.
Wow, with a back foot.
Yeah.
360 is easier. Just letting you know.
I knew Kelly would know how to do this.
Stick to skateboarding, kids.
I'm tail whipping.
Fetty can literally do anything.
And he makes it look cool.
On a skateboard, they're so hard on me. I land it perfect, they're like, no, rebate. And then on this, I don't even do it at all, and they're like, yeah, you got a rebate.
Darn.
Scooty Potter.
Darn it.
That's the most I've ever seen him commit on anything.
Switch.
Well, harder than it seems.
Do it down to 5.
Do they have switch and regular?
Yeah.
Is it? It's like that and then like that. Really?
Whoa, never thought about
So they're
that.
like switch backflip. I would
Damn.
actually be quite hard, I would imagine. Wow. Switch scoot god.
They push mom.
Don't ever say that again.
So before I moved it like this time I'm moving it like that. I moved it in opposite direction.
One more. Oh. Hey,
I'm sorry.
he gets one more.
Should we be like get Tanner Fox the Braille?
Wait, maybe
that could
Tanner Fox versus Fetty Potter game of Scoot.
Actually, I think I can do that.
Let's go to 3.
I'm just kidding.
All right, this try. What an adrenaline rush.
What I feel like is gonna happen is I'm gonna jump and the handlebar is gonna get caught.
Aaron, you got one more?
Yeah.
Makes you so much better at skateboarding.
You think so? You heard it here first. Fetty says scootering makes you so much better at skateboarding. Well, I'm just glad that I didn't hit my groin on the handlebars off the 3-stair. That's why I was like, I can't.
On a
do this.
skateboard, it helps with your
Fear
handlebar
of like
grip.
Yeah, scary.
That did remind me of the El Toro clip that I saw.
I just look over at Carlos and his face is just like.
I'm pretty sure Carlos doesn't
Aaron
want to
taught
be
me
part
that
of this.
Nope.
How scary is that though? Is that not scary?
That's pretty scary.
Razor scooting made simple?
You ready?
No.
I've never done this.
Ride the wave, brother.
Hey, I went for it. I went for
You
it.
want me to hit the 4-foot?
My toe, I can't run.
I'm gonna jump up that curb and then tail whip.
Tail whip 180.
He's got mad hops. Count that?
Sometimes it's a nice change of rhythm to do something you're not comfortable with.
Now that you guys have scooted, give a little feedback.
I mean, it's kind of like when we played the badminton. Like, I was good, but not that good, you know?
It's just not for me, I'll admit that. Sorry.
It's been a while.
What are we talking about?
It's a change of pace. Yeah, that's all it is.
Handlebars, I think. I don't know. We
They
need
get in the
them.
way.
Yeah, I don't like how it hits my knees, but that could just be the model.
Yeah.
Rochambeau game of skates.
No, it's the person who won goes, so he's first, he's second, I'm third, he's fourth.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I was out. I was out.
Finally, a fair
park.
order. I think full park. We do a lot of flat
Okay.
gun.
Only bangers.
He touched right at the beginning, so that's a no.
What I thought was interesting is the winner of the scooter was first out on the skateboard. It's like the people who were like the most scared of the scooter were like the easiest on the skateboard.
Too much scooting.
I front side boarded one handrail in my life, and I said, that's the last handrail I'll ever front board. Front board is like my worst rail trick. Not about to go into a game of skate on that. I've never seen Fetty do that. Props.
He's a monster.
Seems hard to believe, but this started off as scooters versus skateboarders.
All right, guys, well, we hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want to learn to skateboard, or maybe you've never picked up a skateboard before, or you would just like to learn, we are taking 2018 to the next Learn to Skateboard level. We are actually giving away Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 DVDs. Click the link in the description below and you can be taken to that special offer. You just pay for the shipping and then you'll be taken through to a bunch of other offers that all have to do with you learning how to skateboard. So we want to know what you guys' thoughts, opinions are. Obviously, this is a very highly controversial subject, the scooters versus the skateboards. So go ahead and leave it in the comments below what you think. We're really not, I want to make that very clear, we're really not trying to create a bunch of people having hatred towards each other. We really don't want to create that environment. We want to create the environment where you can do and have fun and learn to do the things that you want to do. We particularly are all about skateboarding, but we will do some videos like this to reach outside of skateboarding. Because how do you get more people into skateboarding if you don't reach out of it? Learn to skateboard. Have fun. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and keep it clean and down there, guys. Keep it clean. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.